Today, we're going to talk about a feature of the Botsplash platform called lead reassignment. We'll talk about what it is, when it's used, and why it's so popular with our clients. Hi, my name is Bruce Walker, and welcome to Botsplash TV. There are times when a lead needs to be transferred for whatever reason. So in the case of mortgage, a lead might come in and the loan officer is not licensed in that state. So it's transferred to an appropriate representative to make sure that customer can be taken care of. In automotive, a customer might be talking to their service representative and realize they need to talk to a sales representative about a new car. Or maybe an agent just wants to take a vacation. So they transfer their clients and their leads to a colleague, and they can hit the beach with peace of mind knowing that they will be taken care of. In each of these cases, the documentation, the conversations, and all of the notes are transferred right along with them. And the original agent can stay on the conversation and follow the customer journey, which is a great tool for training. This is just one of the many features of the Botsplash platform. And if you want to stay up to date on all things Botsplash, make sure you hit subscribe, and we'll help you be where your customers are.